Unexpected moments can sometimes brighten your day. Welcome to the family, Poppy. And there'll be another new family member coming soon. Poppy. She's saying hello for the first time. It's our baby. But sometimes a precious moment gets lost because that's just how life is, right? With this bundle, I'll never have to worry about missing anything again. It's our baby.
We're always waiting for what might happen next. Puppy. With the camera always being on standby, we'll never miss a single moment. First words? Pa. 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 Papa. Well, that's unexpected. Whatever the moment may be, all the smiles and laughter are worth capturing. So we can just focus on what really matters, knowing that everything has already been saved.